Join me as I take on the challenge of naturally regrowing my teeth with just good oral health. Let's see if it really works. Maintaining good oral health is crucial for a healthy smile, but did you know it can also play a significant role in the regeneration of your teeth? Our teeth are incredibly resilient, and with the right care, they can repair and even regrow themselves to some extent. This concept is often overlooked in traditional dental care, but it's a fascinating area that holds a lot of promise for those looking to improve their dental health naturally. Tooth decay and loss are common issues that many of us face. Traditional solutions often involve fillings, extractions, or implants, which can be effective but also have their downsides. Fillings can contain materials that aren't ideal for our health. Extractions can lead to further dental issues, and implants can be expensive and require surgery. These solutions don't always address the root cause of the problem, and that's where good oral health comes in. The reality is that many of us are dealing with dental issues on a daily basis. From sensitivity to decay, these problems can significantly impact our quality of life. And let's not forget about the aesthetic concerns. Who doesn't want a bright, healthy smile? Unfortunately, traditional dentistry often focuses on treating symptoms rather than causes. This approach can lead to a cycle of ongoing dental problems that seem to never end. Traditional dental care has its place, but it doesn't always offer a long-term solution. We end up dealing with the same issues over and over, and that's where the concept of natural tooth regeneration comes in. By focusing on diet, oral hygiene, and natural remedies, we can potentially turn the tide on dental health. The science behind tooth remineralization is all about restoring minerals to our teeth, which can reverse early-stage decay and even help repair enamel. Our diet plays a huge role in this process. Foods rich in calcium and vitamins, like leafy greens and nuts, are fantastic for our teeth. But it's not just about what we eat, it's also about how we care for our teeth. Natural oral care products that avoid harsh chemicals can be gentler on our mouths and more effective in the long run. Practicing good oral hygiene is essential, but it's not just about brushing and flossing. Using a tongue scraper, for example, can help remove bacteria that contribute to decay. There are also natural remedies like oil pulling with coconut oil that some swear by for maintaining a healthy mouth. These practices, combined with a balanced diet, can create a powerful foundation for dental health. So, what can you do to support your teeth's natural healing process? First, rethink your diet. Incorporate foods that are rich in minerals and vitamins. Second, take a closer look at your oral care routine. Are you using products that are free from harsh chemicals? Consider making some changes there as well. Another strategy is to stay hydrated. Water helps wash away food particles and acids that can harm our teeth. And let's not forget about the importance of regular dental checkups. Even if you're focusing on natural care, it's still crucial to have professional guidance. Lastly, consider incorporating some natural remedies into your routine. From essential oils to herbal mouthwashes, there are plenty of options to explore. The key is to find what works for you and stick with it. In summary, taking care of your oral health is not just about avoiding dental problems. It's about creating an environment where your teeth can thrive. By focusing on a balanced diet, good oral hygiene, and natural remedies, you can support your teeth's natural healing process. It's amazing to think about the potential for regrowth and repair that our bodies have. If you've had any experiences with natural dental care, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. And if you're interested in more holistic approaches to health, be sure to check out my video on holistic dental care practices.